Little late. We weren't going to go live. Eddie's not feeling too good today, but you know what? He showed up. He's a soldier. First and foremost, everybody, y'all wish Eddie some love over there. He got mule kicked in the stomach last night. I told him not to do her doggy, but he didn't listen. So he put that Rico Suave on her, and now he's paying the price. So what's popping, y'all? How's everybody today? Everybody today. Eddie, bro, you all right, dog? You all right, brother?
Yeah, I'll deal with it. There's no way I was gonna, not show off my new mic. So
That's what the man said.
totally missed it. I was trying to get into that.
Oh man. And you see Richie over there, Richie's like, oh, good afternoon. All right. Well, listen, quick update. Yesterday, right before close of day, I took here, let me bring it up so you guys can see. I took 10 cheap ass contracts on Lyft. Very, very cheap contracts. I'll show you here. If you can see it. It's not going to show you the way I want. Anyway, I took 10 cheap contracts on Lyft yesterday. This is a live trading account. This is the $100 challenge account. They were 2 cents each. I bought 10. So it was $20. I sold them. I sold 5 out this morning at 6. Sold another 5 at 3. So I effectively doubled my money plus 5, right? So we're up $25 on the $100 account challenge. We're already up 25%. So that's what we did there. Now I'm looking at SPY. If you guys didn't hear, Credit Suisse, the Credit Suisse bank is in freaking trouble. And we knew there was going to be a lot of trouble. If you saw this morning, all the markets dived. Everything dived. Let's see if I can bring up a heat map real quick.
Hope West took advantage of his puts and sold them.
There we go. You can see the bottom end heat map here. We're going red already. Look now, across the world, we're red. So just be aware of this. Everything is red. Rojo today. Rojo. What happened, bro? What? You don't know what?
Yeah, rolling your R.
Rojo. Bro, I don't need to roll my tongue. I know how to use it. Cut it out. I probably could have stayed in those lip puts. Those lip puts weren't. They were the $8 strike put for this Friday. But you know what? You got to stick to your rules. And Eddie, we know our rules 10, 20, 50%. After that, if you don't have a lot of price action, take your profit and get out. I technically made 125% profit on that. 125% profit overnight. So as Eddie would say, if it was $1,000, I would have made $125. No, I'd have made more than that. I'd have made $255.
Yeah.
Right, Eddie? Okay. All right, buddy. I'm watching SPY now. I've got a put contract dialed up, 380 put for today, and I got my eyes on. I know where it needs to be. I know where I want to be, and we're gonna see what happens. Let's get here. That's a big rejection zone. That's what we're looking for right there. That's one. I'm drawing this in real time so everybody can see it. And we want to go this way because this is another zone right here. There you go. All we're doing is playing the bounces on the zones, y'all. That's all we're doing. Playing bounces on zones. That's it. Simple trading. Nothing crazy. No need to go crazy. Just need to be effective. I'm going to get to them chat comments in a minute. Let me finish setting this up.
Yeah, no, I was up. I was out today. It was like 4 o'clock in the morning. I went out and it was just, dude, it was just
Tell the truth, bro. You were just getting home. Stop lying.
about like 6:30, and then that was it. I had to come home and just like lay down. Still
All
killing me.
right. Man, I'm glad you're feeling well. I hope you feel better, bro. I really do. All right. Imnan Akhtar, when do you start? We were late. Our bad. Big Dog West, good morning, killers. Bro, let me see where Apple's at this morning already. Apple's down about a point, 151.08. Patty, yeah, we were a little late, bro. I was trying to look out for my homie here, you know. I got to make sure he's all right.
Don't feel too good.
Good morning, Queen. How you doing, sweetheart? What's going on? Richard, I already talked about Richard. Bro, good afternoon. See this guy, bro? This is what happens, bro. This is what happens, dog. This, you know, I love the guy to death, but this is what happens. I love this guy. All right, it's B. Just finished my Uber session, 1 a.m. to now. Wow. Hey, was it good? Was it a good session? Hope you made some money, because I got railed last night. I had one good goddamn ride that saved my night last night. It's amazing, bro. Monday night was fantastic. Last night, same strategies. Didn't work so good for me. Damn, dude. You need me to call you 911?
Man.
Huh? You
just gonna
need 911?
Stay here and just chill.
Bro.
This is Sparta!
Get your bitch ass up and let's go. Hey, make yourself some hot tea, dude. Seriously. Don't make coffee. Make hot tea. You don't need caffeine. Coffee's got a lot more caffeine than you know. Well, you know. VIX is way up. Energy dumped this morning too, bro. So I'm waiting on some. I need to have a news chart up here. So now we're just waiting for setups. Just waiting for setups. We are 19 minutes into the trading session. I need to have some news up here. Oh, man. Wes. Oh, wait a minute. It's B. What's your Uber strategy? Oh, my God. Bro, I've got like 6 of them. But if you go onto Eddie's channel, if you're on Eddie's channel and you're here, look for his $5 ebook, bro. He's got a host of strategies in there. And, you know, we got to be real about it. Everybody kind of uses that same strategy. It just depends on what platform you're driving, dude. If you're driving X, it's going to be a little bit of a different strategy than if you're driving XL, Lux, Premiere, all of that good stuff. So it's a little bit of a different animal. Wes is like,
even with the XC6 strategies are still the same. Only things that I'm waiting a little longer when I go to my higher, when I'm picking up rides from my higher tiers in Uber and Lyft platforms.
All right, looking for this break here. Looking for this break. Are we going to get below VWAP? Need to get below VWAP here. That's coming down. Eddie, I heard you got some new gear, bro. You telling me you got some new gear?
Yep. Look, Mike. I was trying to order from your website, from your link, but your link didn't come with this.
The Streamdeck.
With the Streamdeck. So.
Yeah, but if you use my link, if you use the link to buy the mic, and it was at the same time, then I should get credit for the Streamdeck too.
You should. And see, this is what I'm talking about. I got this. I got the Streamdeck. And I also have the panels that I put up on the wall for the noise reduction, whatever stuff.
Right.
But like $380. Got it all for free, baby. All for free.
Hey, that's how it is when you got a business going, brother. Wes, I was gonna say that word too, Vinny, but was trying to be nice. Man, don't be nice. He wouldn't be nice with you. Let's not forget, This is the guy that made the Vinny the Pooh meme on me and put it out live on the internet. There is a picture of me with a Winnie the Pooh body floating around cyberspace. I mean, you can be sympathetic. You can be sympathetic and still be an asshole. Ain't nothing wrong with that. All right, I think I want to take this contract here. I think I want to buy one here. Let's see. We get below my line. Boom. I'm going for it. I'm in.
I'm trying to get up. I'm trying to buy up a put here. Hopefully, if see, it's not again. Here we go. It's not filling.
All right, we're not going to hold on to this contract too long. We're going to give it some. We're going to give this contract some space, but we're not going to give it a lot of space. It's a different animal now. We ain't trying to get back what we made already this morning. There's a nice little trend line going. See if we can get down about halfway into this channel. See if we can get back down to about 385.
Yep. No. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna buy my put. Okay. There it is. Let's see if it fills. Oh, it filled. Nice. Oh, and it filled me with 2. Not what I wanted to do, but
I don't want no melting today. I need price action today, and today should have some price action. It should have some price action. What are we in at 50 on this trade? So we're looking for 10%. Then we'll see what the chart looks like if we can get to 10%, which is nothing. It's so we're trying to get to 55. No, that'd be 10%. We're trying to get to 55, but we need SPY to cooperate. We waited our time. We haven't broken any rules. We're in our little zone here. We're down 9% on the contract, so I'm willing to go 1-to-1. I'm willing to give up 10 to make 10.
I'm just gonna take a 5% here. 6. Come on, sell. And I bought 2, which is not what I wanted to do. Come on. My order is not filling.
Waiting to see if we're going to get this crazy ass bounce here or not. Little patience. Have a little patience. Little patience.
So, yes. All right. I sold the profit.
Come on, reject that VWAP, SPY. Reject VWAP. Little patience this morning, y'all. Little patience this morning. Little patience. So how's everybody else doing out there today? We got 10 people in the chat today. Good. Welcome to the channel. We are just 2 dumbass Uber drivers. I say that with a grain of salt. We're just 2 dumbass Uber drivers trying to make a living, trying to pivot out of rideshare and get into something else. We like to trade. Trading is fun. Trading is hard work. Trading is a lot of experience. You're gonna lose before you gain, unless you got a mind like that. You got all kinds of people trying to do different things, bro. Because nothing in rideshare is guaranteed. Not a damn thing. That article yesterday, bro. Well, when I read it on Sunday, Eddie, about the guy in Chicago, that really hit home, bro. That really hit home. All right, we got some movement on this contract.
Oh, there we go. It's just dropping in my orders. Oh my God, why can't my order just fill when I want it to fill? I'm canceling.
We're looking for 385. See if we can get down there. I need. I got an idea of my stop. I'm at 10. What am I at now? About 17% up on this contract. Now, see, that's the other difference too. If it's going to run, let it run. But you got to be quick with it. You got to keep an eye because on a blink of an eye, this shit can flip. Watching candles, watching bodies of candles, watching wicks. Keep it
Trying
coming.
to see if
Volume.
my order fails and my orders are not failing.
Are you on your paper trade account or are you on your live account?
I'm in my paper trading account.
Yeah, remember they take a minute. I mean, if you want to guarantee fill, Eddie, you can buy ask +1 and you can
Yeah,
sell
that's how I have
bid
it.
-1.
No, I totally missed out. I feel like going into my live account and just taking advantage of this.
Buddy, you just better be in the right state of mind to do it. You know what I'm saying? Just got to be in the right state of mind. I should take this contract out at 15%. Let's see what this candle wants to do here. This is a big candle for me. I think we can get down to that previous. I got a major support level at 384.70.
Really, that's what I have.
See this candle. See this candle. See this candle. See this candle. Good thing about SPY is it's not. I mean, there's price action obviously, but it's not super volatile. It's not like SPX. They're trying to buy it up. I'm going to get out here. All right, we sold that contract at 56. And see, that's the difference too, y'all. When you're live trading versus paper trading, your paper trading looks like I might have got out the right spot. Paper trading, your fills are not as fast. But live trading, fills on Webull are instant. Yeah, I got out at the right spot. So we've grown this account today 31% already. You guys can see that over here. On the day, I'm up 30%, $30.34. You got to remember, contracts do have a cost. It's like 85 cents per trade. Doesn't matter how many contracts you trade, that particular trade is going to be 85 cents. So there we go. We've grown that account 30% today, bro. 30%, 30%.
Damn, I'm good. This is Sparta!
I'm up only $9.
It's all right.
Which is only like 5%.
It's okay. Plus is plus considering you're broke. You know, you got broke PP right now. All right. Patty says it's cold, wet, and windy in Ireland. A good day to stay home and light the fire. Although 180K deactivated guy did get it back, he lost money selling the second car and the driver left. Still no explanation. Well, the explanation was the reason they thought he was committing fraud. They thought he was committing fraud because the metadata, you know, all the AI shit was coming back to, you know, Uber's computer saying, hey, this guy's not where he says he is. And two different people are using his account. So that's what happened. I mean, I get it, but you figured since they build themselves as a data company, as a tech company, they would know better, you know? But the fact, what bothers me about that, and it really hits home, and I hope it hits home with a lot of people, if MarketWatch would not have gotten involved in that situation, if they didn't have a door in, you know, like a Sergio. Sergio has a door in, right? He beats them up. He calls them out on their bullshit, but he has an ear. If that guy didn't have an ear through MarketWatch, he'd have still been assed out. He still would have been out. Could you imagine that? You put $180,000 into a business thinking everything's fine. You do everything correctly and still get cut off at the knees. That's a tough deal. That's hard to swallow. Oh, look at this contract now. It's running. It's running. Now you see, Eddie, it hit this trend line. straight down.
Yeah.
I sold here on this green candle back here because I was looking at VWAP to where we were. That was a bullish engulfing candle, right? So that's why I went ahead and popped that out right there. If anybody's curious, and 6% on if I got in at 50, so that's a 12% trade. That's a good trade.
Damn.
12% is good. See, I learned. I've learned. Don't look at the dollar amount, Eddie. We've talked about this. Never look at the dollar amount, bro. Always look at the percentage. Always look at the percentage, because just that quick. Look how SPY now is back up against this trend line. Even though we're making lower lows, right? We're making lower lows here. It's still, look how it fluctuates with the premium on zero date to expiration. Today, this contract expires today. That's why these contracts are so risk heavy. Anyway, let's switch over to the what do I have? I mean, I still have $31 in this account that's free cash. I might hold on to that unless I see something really worth jumping at. Right now, I don't see nothing worth jumping at.
Yeah, the only one that's moving right now is
see what's going on with Lyft here. Let's look at the option chain for this week. This is the contract that I was in. Yeah, I don't want to mess with any of that. Let's look at next week's contracts on Lyft. They're pretty expensive. $750 is not expensive though. A lot of people. Wow, look at the open interest. Next week, there's 1,166 open interest on Lyft going to $7.
oh,
And it's a cheap contract. The volume today, though, so far on Lyft is a $7 contract. Those contracts are up 17%. You know what? Let's. I don't normally mess with options under 1,000 open interest, but we'll add it to the list. We'll keep an eye on it. That might change today.
oh, look at that lift is turning around. I mean, a SPY.
Is it? Let's see what's going on here on SPY. Yep, it flipped. Just that quick. Let's see if we can find another cheap contract. See if we can find another cheap contract. These are nuts. Let's tighten this up a little bit. Go 10 and 20.
Maybe I just need to eat something.
I love Webull, bro. I just absolutely love Webull. You know what? I'm gonna keep on with that 380 contract. If it gets cheap enough, this contract gets cheap enough, I might take another stab at it. We'll see. We'll let this develop. Let's see what happens with this contract. We got 31. So let's see if we can get this down to like 30. And then we'll take another look at it in case the market flips at some point today. There you go. I love Webull. Way, way better than Thinkorswim. Way better than Thinkorswim. Patty. Okay, let me get to your comment. So, Uber goofed. Yeah, they actually did. They did goof because they asked him to take a picture of his location. He took the picture, sent it in, showed him at the airport, but whomever he was talking to on Uber's end showed him out on some island. Bro, craziness. But if you don't have that in, how you going to do it, bro? Like, how do you deal with that? Like, you're assed out. It's crazy. Yeah. Props to Market Watch. I watched Sergio last night. Oh, no. No, I watched Suganor last night. 0.5% off every job is still theft from. Oh, Sergio, yeah. Who fights for the man in the street? Is there a regulator? No, there's no regulators. There's no regulators. Tonight on the Rideshare Garage, I actually want to talk about what they were talking about last night. I think Sergio might have got the wrong idea of where I was trying to go with it. I want to save that for the live broadcast tonight because I think it has to be talked about. And different markets do different things, and no matter what you say, whether it's trading stocks, whether it's driving rideshare, whether it's building a house, whatever it is you do, selling cupcakes, it doesn't matter. The market will determine your value. And all the aspects of that market are going to help determine that market's value. And we don't always have that. You don't always have that market that'll sustain whatever it is. So what works in one market might not necessarily work in another market. And I want to talk about that tonight because to me that was pretty important. I think there were some aspects. While I understand the intent, by the way, this orange line here is high a day. See what happens when it gets there. You can see on the right monitor, we're pushing into where I feel comfortable. If I'm going to take another trade on this 380 put, I'm starting to. We're in my range, but we're going to wait and see what happens. Market's trying to spin around a little bit here. It's 10:08 a.m. We've been open 38 minutes. Let's see. Beyond Nines, what's popping, baby? Woke up at 10 a.m. today. Mad at myself when I sleep in and miss the morning rush. You know what, though? If your body is telling you you need rest, it's going to tell you you need rest. And so while on one hand, I understand, we got to get paid out here. We all got bills. The other part to that is, bro, your body, you got to take care of your body too. Patty says we should move to Boston. Not me. I'm not with the wicked pisses. The wicked pissas. Nah, I'm cool right here where I'm at, man. Born and raised Miami. I'm a Miami street kid who's managed to get out of it a little bit. I've had some successes. Well, I've had several good successes. And now we're trying to do it again, even at my age. Up in Fort Lauderdale now, though, man. It's about half the speed of Miami, about half the traffic of Miami where I live. And it's pretty peaceful. So I'm cool out here. Anyway, all right. So we see, I might have missed that opportunity on that contract, but let's see what happens. We're watching SPY. That's the 1 minute chart on the left. That's the 380 put contract on the right. This is the $100 account challenge on the live money. And since I still have, let's see, it's still got $31 of settled funds on there. We're up 30% on this account for the first day, which is a good thing. Recap, I took 10 lift $8 put contracts last night before close. Did about 125% on those contracts overnight into the opening bell this morning. So, and then we took a SPY contract. We hit that for about 11%, 12%, something like that. It's a $50 contract sold out at 56. It's going to try to give me another opportunity here, but I want to make sure I'm not going to get faked out. I want to see if it's going to come back and touch high a day. You can see here, I got another whole zone up here. I don't know if it gets there today, though, dude. There's a lot of wrong going on in the world. Let's see. Just for the rate. Patty says move to Boston for the rate. Yeah, but pardon me. Patty, I wouldn't mind the rate. If you can tell me I can go live in Boston for what it costs me to live in Miami and make Boston rates, you might have something there. Might be something to that. Hey, buddy.
Hopefully I need to eat something.
Bro, your abdomen can't be hurting that hard if your ass is freaking snacking on crackers and shit.
Oh, man.
You know who snacks on Do you know who snacks on crackers when their belly hurts?
Polly?
No, pregnant women. I'm just
Hey,
saying, pregnant women.
I could be pregnant.
Yeah. Kiara, you done got the man pregnant, huh? I visited Jacksonville and Camp Blanding when I was last visited in Florida. I like the climate, although not humping 100 rucksack out. And you did it on purpose. Good morning, Key. Good morning, Key. Looks like Eddie has the pop in chat today. Yes, he does. And he ain't said more than 10 words since he's been online. How's that possible?
Damn.
Through the Everglades. Bro, the Everglades ain't nothing to play with anymore, bro.
Do the Batman. I don't feel too good.
Oh, my God. This guy.
By the way, how's the mic?
Nobody got time for that.
Is the mic better? Echo?
What?
You know, I have different levels. I don't know. Kiki said this was the best level when I was talking to her yesterday. And then I have this level right here. I don't know how that sounds.
Like shit.
And then there's this other level right here. Does it sound better? And then I have this other one right there.
Yep. Esco's Kiki, nobody loves me. You know, they don't like me like that. So, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? And the mic is good. It sounds really good. Sounds really, really good. So you still using earbuds though, right? For the hear, right?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, because if you put on the speaker if you turn on the computer speakers right now, you're gonna get that
Echo to the echo to the mic.
Yep. They had that going on last night on Sergio and Chris's live stream. Sergio was like nobody's business, but they couldn't figure it out. Well, you guys were playing meme wars on Canva. What Uber Quest did you guys get? I got one. I think I took the 50 ride for $80, but there was like an 80 ride for $120 in there to start. I don't mess with the quests. It's almost hard for me to hit quests unless I drop down. Now, during the week, maybe it's not so bad if the quests start getting up there and there's some money in there, you know?
Yeah, mine was this quiz quest. It's $60 for the week before the weekend. It's let me see if I took the one that if I make 50 trips, I make 145, and I do 20 more after that, and I make 105.
Wait. $145 for 50 trips?
Yep.
That's almost double my quest, bro. What the fuck?
Don't know what to tell you, man. They like me. And that's Uber.
Sucks being a straight white guy, I tell you. Really does suck being a straight white guy.
Okay.
Anyway.
Are we going to buy now here?
Kiki!
I'm trying to buy no.
Kiki's coming home next week. She's coming home. Come on, boo. I got a spot right here for you. Let's go.
Buy a put. I want to buy a put.
I'm doing the Dom. I'm doing the Dom.
Order just won't fill.
Tell me, y'all, doesn't Eddie remind you of a pregnant woman right now? Oh, my belly hurts. I need crackers.
I am a hermaphrodite squirrel. Okay.
What the hell?
And you will address me. My daddy.
I can't. I gotta go.
I don't know what it is. Maybe it was a bad broccoli. Yeah, sorry there, commuter. Now you hear the crunching of my daughter's Cheez-Its. She's gonna get mad at me now. Watch, Daddy. What happened to the Cheez-Its? I had to throw them away because they were bad. She was like, "You ate them, didn't you?"
Stop using earbuds when Eddie had the cold. The sound of sniffling snot was deafening. I'm glad he's feeling better, but he looks a little fragile. Is Jack Daniels responsible? Oh, God, that's funny.
Definitely not.
Cheezos are the breakfast of the gods. Oh, man, I missed this trade, Eddie. Look at that nice little 380 put. Could have got in under 30.
I was trying to get that break on that put before I broke to the downside.
Right.
Can't get in.
Oh, man, we are in. See, but it's like it's really trying to hold up here. It's trying to hold in this zone. So it's just chop right now. But when you're trading a small account, small options, this little chop, we just watched it from here to here was worth $10, $12 for a $30 investment. So, you got to keep your eye on the chop.
I spent, hold on, my was a $200 investment and I made $9. So I made 5% because I bought two. Yeah.
No, we're not doing all that.
There it goes again.
Yep. Apple eases on bonus and hiring. So 5 minutes ago, I forgot I had the news here, bro. What the fuck?
And I need to hit the road today.
Yeah, I do too, bro. Last night was pathetic. PPI unexpectedly falls, swinging market expectations toward Federal Reserve pause. They really want him to give up the. They don't want him to put that rate hike on, but he needs to. Retail sales fall in February when no shit, nobody's got no money. It's amazing, bro. It's amazing.
I don't eat these, Kiki. I have had these for like a month. I don't eat them. My daughter is the one that eats them. But today it's just I need to munch on something.
Let me look at a call.
You know how your stomach don't feel too good? You gotta eat crackers.
Nope.
And I had to.
Not gonna do it.
I had to come to the live because I'm wearing my shirt. Nobody cares. Work harder. I was like, damn it, I gotta go. I can't do this. I'd be like the biggest sissy girl.
Well, that ain't nothing.
Yeah, and by the way, Kiki, I designed a coffee cup. It's just on the Etsy, and I put it on Etsy. Hold on, let me bring it up. So I need a button in my keypad for Cam.
You got a Etsy account now?
Yeah.
I missed all that last night. Son of a pumpkin.
Yeah, so the good thing with Etsy is that you don't have to pay for it until you make a sale.
Done with you.
Take it out of the sale.
Done with you guys.
Hold on, I need to share my screen here.
Fine, kick me out. Fine. I don't care. Kick me out. I don't care. I don't care. It's going to try to get up here this third time. What are we going to do here?
There you go, Kiki. That's right. CC girls only work 40 hours a week.
Nope.
Okay.
You gotta take our Etsy course. Yeah, I probably do, but you know, I gotta work.
I was telling Kiki too that it would be a good idea to basically set something up for a lot of people that want to make money and stuff and be like, okay, listen, we can go through it, everybody together. Start an Etsy account, design it on Canva, find out the product, okay, and then do the whole routine like everybody, like all together. And then when they get off the course, they can just keep it going and just repeat it. I'm gonna try commuter. I'm going to try commuter. I got a couple of tricks off my sleeve that I usually use to make me feel better. Colloidal silver is one of them.
Did you say colonial silver?
Colloidal.
What?
Or colloidal? I'm not exactly sure.
I'm like, what the fuck? What is he?
Yeah, it's that it's silver. Silver. If you take it for supposedly if you take too much of it, you start looking like the Avatar.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fuck, I can't laugh. It hurts.
It hurts to laugh. Oh, there was a way I could see who was where yesterday. Now I can't see it. What the? How's that possible?
And by the way, I was watching what's her name? Peachy Investor. How she was taking $100 and like almost doubling it. In one trade.
Yeah, well, that's sometimes that's playing with fire, bro. Sometimes that's playing with fire.
No. Look, man, I don't know about you guys, but it's really killing me that I'm seeing this opportunity and I just don't want to buy into it because it's not my order is not filling. So let me change my screen here into my live. Hold on, what was it? Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah, looks like Spy's just ranging right now. So
yeah. I thought I took this out. Took that out. Took that out. Go bye-byes. Bye-byes. Okay, let's extend this. All right, technically I'm in my live. Let me get rid of this to Spy, call, and put. All right, amazing. Yes, I might trade with real money. It's just I see the opportunity, and I'm just gonna do the DOM. Do this.
oh wait, this thing gets 379 though.
It's only gonna be $100.
Oh, you're going to get on my train? Oh, now you want to come steal my thunder? Okay.
It's only gonna be $100. It's all my
Come on
live.
then. Well, come on then.
Okay,
What you
hold
waiting
on.
on?
Make sure I
What
get
you waiting
volume
on,
on
bro?
this. Yeah, I got volume. I got volume.
Oh, that's the other thing too. I got to put Kiki on as an admin for the account.
There you go. Live trading. I'm only gonna get a shot for one trade. Two trades. Two trades. I'm just gonna wait for my setup, which I got my upside here, but everything is under my 200. Yeah, that's my chart. Yeah, everything is under my 200, so I'm expecting downside to it. Right, and it's where would you? Because it's just like a flag. Yeah, right. I know you say it's channeling.
It is
I'm
channel.
so excited, and I just cannot hide it.
Everything is channeling right now. There's nothing that's not channeling.
Oh man, this is just no bueno. Can I change my? Okay, let's see what it does. Ah, this is killing me. Feeling a little better now that I ate the crackers. Yeah, that's what I was doing, commuter. I took colloidal with a D. Colloidal. No matter what everybody else says, it has worked very good. I even use it on my kid when my kid's got a stomach ache, like a bad stomach ache where like it's like food poisoning or something like that. Boom, give them a little bit of colloidal silver and then goes away. They'll get sleepy, they'll fall asleep for like 20 minutes, and good for animals too. It just works. It just works. Homemade is better. But if you see the process of what it is, you're gonna be like, what? It's kind of like gold, gold, you can consume gold. Um, it's a consumable. For us, we can consume it. That's why they have those gold leaves that they put on chocolate. And yes, it is a real gold leaf. Come on, Vinny. That's how the rich people do.
What's that? What do they
They
do?
put gold leaf on their ice creams or the dessert.
Oh, where are we at here? I've missed to pick up this trade like 3 times now. Look at that. It's banged into my little buy zone here 3 times.
Hold on, let me see. Where is your buy
My
zone?
little right here.
Okay.
It's banged into my buy zone 3 times now, and I haven't touched it. This is the one I've already traded this morning. But you can see, Eddie, you can see on my right side, I don't know if you got me up or not, but on the right
you're
side,
up.
all right, on the right side is the 1 minute SPY chart. On the left side is the 380 put. and it keeps wanting to push down in here, which in a lot of ways that's not good either. Hold on, let me kill the volume on this thing. Those text messages are coming through too much. Now it's going to break below, because as the day moves forward on these 0 data expiration contracts, this is what they do. Premiums get chewed up. And it's it's 10:30, so I shouldn't, unless something drastically violent happens in the next 5 minutes, I won't even touch this contract. I'll be done with it.
And by the way, I'm on my live account, and I got my buy and sell. So
let's see your live account.
I'm ready to go.
And you're like me, right? Started with $100.
Yeah, $100 option, depending on how much this, with between the fluctuation and stuff, it's just gonna, it might be a little bit over 100, but only gonna get either 1 or 2 trades. That's it, nothing more.
That's it.
But once I select it and I put it in there, my Streamdeck should take over.
Have you tested your Streamdeck yet?
I've tested it, and it works.
Okay.
I just need to get ready to basically.
Well, when you're ready to grow up, I'll teach you about the price ladder.
But well, yeah, I know the price ladder. I had it up, but I was not ready for it.
Well, markets have seemed to just kind of steady off now. That's all they're doing. They're just steady off now. Oh, that thing's got a lot of heat. I might have to get a new computer soon.
Orders. Let me move this over. Position. There we go. So, working. And then once it starts working, poof, it'll pop up over here.
Eddie, did you have a decent night last night?
No, I ended up coming home to Kiki. And then,
You act like, whoa. You act like that's a bad thing, bro.
Well, I didn't go out after that. I got really curious and stuff, and I ended up making that cup that I just showed you. And I activated my Etsy account store. And I put my product in. I just need to, the bank. I need to do the what do you call it?
Damn, bro. She's saying you're a great thing. Woo-wee.
So, but I would really like to see how it goes. Oh my God, look at this. Okay.
All right, we're starting to set a new low a day on SPY. We just broke low a day.
I just want one. I know this is not going to do anything
to this contract. Not yet. High risk contract.
I need a break. 2 minutes. It's so cool. It's so cool. There's this little button right here, and you touch it, and it mutes it. And then I hit it again, and then it comes back. Oh, no. It's freaking awesome.
Oh, you mean like this? You mean like this, Eddie? You mean like this? You mean a button like that? You touch it, and then you touch it, and it goes back on? Come on, bro.
Mine lights up. Look at this. It lights up. Look.
Goddamn fancy.
I feel like I'm a unicorn. See?
Goddamn fancy pants.
This is your fault, by the way.
Huh? It's always my fault.
I was looking for that one. That one, but that one didn't come with the deck because you didn't put it that way on your description. So I had to click in your description.
Okay, and you couldn't find the Elgato Wave 3 with the Streamdeck bundle?
No.
It was there.
It wasn't showing.
It doesn't, bro, you don't have to buy what the link does. Oh, so, it wasn't showing.
No, I had to click on your link, and then from there I searched it.
Okay.
So that's why I was saying that you should have got credit for it.
If it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You know, what are you gonna do?
All right.
You know, everybody's scamming these days. You know, everybody's scamming.
All right, here we go. Give me 2 minutes. I'll be back.
There he goes. He's off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Damn. One. Look at how many times I've hit into this buy zone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Usually it keeps hitting there, It's going to break through it. The probability is it's going to break through it, but we're just ranging. We're just ranging right now, folks. We ain't really got nothing, and I don't want to look at nothing else. Take a look at my charts. Yeah, everything's in a range. Really hard to trade any more today contracts. Let's take a look at tomorrow's contracts. See how pricey they are. All right, let's get out of the 15th, going to the 16th. Looking at 380. See, big difference in the contracts for tomorrow. 380 puts are 150, where right now on today's puts are 32, 33, somewhere around there. Big difference. Let's look for the 380 is the highest interest. We'll add that to the watch list. I love Webull. Have I told you guys I love Webull? I love Webull. Thinkorswim can't do this. You got to go through 19 different functions to do what I just did in Thinkorswim. Cannot beat Webull, man. Cannot beat Webull. 390 contracts. I got a 390. No, I got a 392 pulled up there. But the highest volume traded contracts for tomorrow that have been traded today on SPY calls looks to be the 390. So we can put that up for tomorrow. All right. And then you come back over here, go back to the chart. This is the 380 put. Yeah, could have made another 33%. Key. I sent you an email of a guy that researches the top trending designs every week. It shows you how to set up drop shipping on all the major sites. Yeah, I mean, it's something that can be done. Absolutely. Absolutely. I want you to be successful. I want everybody to be successful. I got to find the time to do it. And I'm going to be honest, I don't know where I would find that time at right now. I have no clue where I would find the extra time.
I was on a streak this morning. It's just.
You were on.
I turned the app on. Boom, $25 to the airport.
You were on a streak this morning?
Yep, man, I was on a roll, but I couldn't do it. I just need to break it to the downside. You know what? I totally forgot. TradingView. Pull up TradingView. My VWAP is doing the same thing again.
What's it? Oh, your VWAP's jacked up again? Mine's not. I don't know what's going on, bro. Check to make sure you got the latest version of Webull.
I did, and it updated it ever since it did that.
Lyft, FYI, Lyft is trading at the top of the range today as well. I guess I could show you that real quick. It's not like, let's go into Rideshare. Let's go into Lyft. I got Lyft right here trading at the top of this range. But look at barely any volume. This is almost barcoding. It technically is barcoding. There's no real volume there. Lyft is like either you pop it in the morning or you pop it in the evening. What's Uber doing? Uber's down to 31.50 again.
Anytime. When there is ketchup on your bagel, you can eat it anytime.
We do have a bit of a flag forming here. Let's see. That's 1, 2, 3 spots right there. We do have a bit of a flag forming here.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys can't see that. Let me make it to where y'all can see it.
I just need the break.
There you go.
Just need the break, the pullback, and then continuation.
See, trading is boring.
You just gotta sit here and wait.
Got to wait on it. Got to wait on it. See what it's going to do at this point. Might take one more. This would be a little bit of a high risk. We're going to wait and see. We would need a huge big flush.
Oh. All right, let me see. I got my EMA.
All right. This is going to be a quick contract. In at 28 cents. This is the 379. I might be out before I even get it set up. Looking to get the VWAP if we can. Already down like $2. But it's trying to break below here. And it might get a quick flush. Might get a quick flush.
Okay, here we go. I am technically in. Oh, okay, yep. And I have my profit loss.
Bring up your chart. Let them see. Show the peoples. Show the peoples.
Okay. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna put. Oh, what's going on? Don't do this to me right now.
It's at 30. Give me a flush. Give me a flush here. It's 1044. Give me a flush.
Okay, well, that didn't work out.
Nope. It's going back the other way right now. Could be a fake out.
Yep, order didn't fill. And I was like, oh, I'm already in the green, 10%. But it didn't fill. This sucks. Hold on, let me look at my chart here. Make sure that I'm not in filled position. Yeah.
So it's hitting this 384.70 level is what it just did. But it wants to come down. Like it really does. But let's see. That 384.70 is a pretty good. You said you got that same resistance area, right? Support?
Yeah, I think it was like 384.70, and I got it on the 30-minute. Was it on the 30-minute or was it hourly?
Oh, that's the right support. It should have been on the 30. But it still wants to push down. Let's see if we get this VWAP bounce or 9 EMA bounce back down. Down $5, Eddie. I have a little patience here on this one. I should have been out of this already. But as you guys can see, still in that trend.
Yes, buy 2 options.
The hell is that beeping in the back? Got a microwave going?
Well, you hear that? No, that's a bird.
Yeah. Super
That's an
sensitive.
actual bird.
Super sensitive mic. And here she comes. She's going to retest this 384.70. Next lower day right here.
Come on, I want to be in on this. Here's my put.
Bro, you got to be doing something set up. You got to have something set up crazy over there.
This is
All right,
my
now
put.
she's pushing down. Damn,
Yeah.
that bird's hungry, bro. What the frick?
Cancel this damn order. There's something going on here. I don't know what the hell I'm doing wrong. I'm going to go into my settings. I'm thinking that my orders are being set up, so
Indecisive. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Come on down. Watching the candle wicks. It's a big indecision candle right here. And so that everybody knows, this is live, bro. We are not recorded. We are not edited. We are raw and live. Learning as we go. Learning as we go.
I'm going to try one more time.
Are you using the Stream Deck?
No, I'm not using a Stream Deck. I had to get off of it.
Okay. See, I don't like the delay of the Stream Deck. I used to have hotkeys on my Stream Deck. I got rid of it.
Mine was working good. It's just that I don't know what the hell is.
Make sure your computer's not getting bogged down, too. Oh, yeah, we're going for a ride, bro. We're going to go for a ride. This is coming down.
There we go. Now my order just filled. It better be a put. That's right. It's a put.
$383.48.
Okay, now I'm getting ready for both my keys.
This is pre-market low right here, way down here, 383.48. Okay, we'll just call it right there. That's the ultimate target. Is this red right here, pre-market low. Little patience here, just showing a little patience here. We'll get ready to pop this one out here in a minute. All right, we're up 9%, 12%. I'm going to get to the bottom of this range if I can. Fingers on the trigger. Ready to take the profit.
Oof. Nice.
Oof, what?
I took my profit.
Oh, good job, buddy.
I just don't know. I better not be doing what I think I'm doing.
All right, that was a little more than was in at 28, filled at 31. So $3, 10%, 11%. We're good. We're good, Hoss. 3 green trades today. Account is up 32.8% on the day.
Mine was buy at 141, sold at 149.
Good job. Good job.
That's all I wanted. Nice. So my Streamdeck is working, but just not with the profit loss.
All right. Let's flip this over now. Let's get into let's close this one out here. Now we flip over to paper trade for a few.
See that? It was just the pop. It was just, I just want the pop. Damn, Vinny, I don't know what I'm doing here.
What do you mean?
All right. So when I'm looking at my options and I'm choosing my option and I'm putting them into my watch list, because that's usually what I do.
Okay.
I right click, doesn't matter where I right click to put it on the option, or do I have to right click on the ask or the bid?
Okay.
Which one?
Okay, let me show you. So can you see my chart?
Yeah.
Just as a rule of thumb, just always go to
open interest.
Just go to open interest. If you left click on it there, it should open it up for you. And then it should open it up right on the chart. So here it is, right? I'll show you again. We'll say one above it, 378 contract. Just left click on open interest and it'll open up on your chart. It'll automatically fill into your active trader, everything.
Well, what I wanted to put it in was into. Wait, hold on. It will fill into my active. If I just left click it.
No. Yeah, left click. Left click. Go in your option chain. Choose an option. Just click on open interest. Left click on it. It'll automatically send it to your chart. See? Now we're at the 378 here. Or 382 because I was on the wrong chart.
Yeah, no, hold on. It's not oh, look at that. It is taking off.
See, and this is why your 10, 20, 50 rule is such a good rule. Look at this big pop. We got out down here, right? We saw it break below. It got close to the bottom of the trend. I popped it out. I was up, $3 on a $28 contract. So that's 10%. Take your hits and just keep going, especially with a small account. You're not going to get there overnight. Rome wasn't built in a day. Take your hits and keep moving. That's it. Small base hits.
All right, there we go. Let me see. I filled the 2 orders for today.
Bro, the heat map is red. Holy shit, the heat map is red. Let me show you. See, market. Boom.
I don't know. There you go. I just
heat map is red.
Yesterday, me messing with the Streamdeck, I used my real account. It was $299. Now it's $292. Well, $285, I think it was.
Wait a minute. What was that? I missed that.
That yesterday I was messing around with the Streamdeck and I put in an order.
Okay.
So I was like, no. I was like, I'm trying to get out. But I was able to get in and out. But I did lose about $5. So I was $299 on my live account. Now I'm $292. But again, I don't think I'm ready to trade in the live.
Well, people have been wanting me to go live, so there we go. For anybody watching, we're up 34% today on the $100 account. That ain't bad. Here's my one watch list. There's Fang. Look at that.
I am up 2.77% for today.
Apple's down, Google's down, Amazon's down, Nvidia's down, Tesla's down, Meta's down. Netflix is green though. There go my chips, computer chips, Nvidia, Taiwan Semiconductor or semi whatever. That's TSM. That's the Taiwan chip maker. AMD, Intel. It's red, but it's only down a penny on the day. Rideshare. Lyft is green. Lyft is up a penny today from close yesterday. And they give this big green. There's no volume there, bro.
I'll check it out, Kiki. My stomach is still killing me.
Investment holding companies, financials are doing decent. Home Depot and Lowe's are doing good. Everybody's ready to start doing their own shit again. Anyway, Nike's red. I hope Nike burns to the ground. Bastards.
Why did they sell you fake Jordans?
Nah, bro, I don't buy Nike at all. Look at that big move. Look at that big run on SPY, bro. Look at that big bump on SPY. Look at that craziness. Kara's like, what am I looking at?
The green line goes over the yellow line.
There you go. Get Sergio. Kara, you're looking at what it takes to be a trader. On the most basic of levels.
See, that's coming up to the VWAP. All right, hold on. I'll be back.
Is he going to be turning off his mic every time he goes to the bathroom now? Is that what we're doing? We could paper trade this. Could paper trade the 392 call for today. Especially since it's getting all the way back up here. Missed the move, though. I should have paper traded this. Could have bought like 10 contracts here. This stuff is so cheap. Could have paper traded that. Yep, we don't want to hear him tinkle. Oh, my God. How do you know it tinkles? How do you know it ain't a faucet? Just saying. I don't know. That was so wrong. My bad, boo. My bad. My bad, dog. Don't mind me. I'm just looking at charts. Oh, man. Yeah, it's kind of dead air. I'll recap my trades real quick for today. Let's take this. Let's recap them. So this was here. Yesterday, got into 10 lift contracts, held them overnight. They cost me 2 cents each. Sold 5 at 6, sold 5 at 3. That put me up a few dollars. Then this morning, bought a 380 put. Was in at 51 cents, out at 56 cents. It's a $5 gain, 10% move there. Actually, you need to be over here to see the prices. So we were good there, in at 50, out at 56. Then I bought just on that last down leg, once it broke the low of day, tapped in at 28, tapped out at 31. 10% move, 10% move. This was, let's see, 2, 5, 6, that's 4. So this was somewhere around 25%. Yeah, 125% on those contracts. So we did good. We did good. That's my recap for the day on my live trading. Haven't paper traded anything yet.
Oh, did you explain that to Kiki?
How
The
do
last
we know he's
question?
not dropping a load?
Oh, I think there's a baby stuck in there. I need to get it out.
Really? So you did buy that shit we found on Twitter. You did buy the anal baby. Oh my God, he bought the anal baby.
Do you ever find it, that meme? Actually, it was not a meme, but it's actually a real thing, right?
Yeah, it's a real thing. And I don't ever want to see that again. Anal babies for men. I don't ever want to see that again. I cannot unsee the anal babies for men.
We'll see how it goes. Is it going to continue to go past the VWAP? Yep. I feel like trading it.
Anyway, Eddie, 11:03, buddy. Let's wrap this stream up unless you plan to keep trading.
No, because I'm in my live account.
There you go.
But I was able to trade in and out through my Streamdeck.
There you go. That's what counts. There you go. Weeble to the rescue. All right. So let's wrap this thing up. QR codes.
Listen, Kiki. Okay.
If you're interested, in it, go ahead.
Women drop worse than men.
Oh, big time, bro. And then they act like they don't poot. They act like they don't fart.
Yeah.
And in the middle of the night while you're sleeping, all of a sudden you start hearing.
Yeah, because they think we're not listening.
It shit wakes us up. You're not expecting it.
Yeah, no.
Just wakes you up and you're like, what the hell?
We stay perfectly still to let you know that we don't worry about it.
That's it, bro.
But we do stick one leg out the blanket to let it air out.
Oof. Anyway. Oof. Anyway. All right. Upper left-hand corner, you'll find the Webull app if you want to practice paper trade along with us. There's the app. Just scan that QR code. It'll take you in there. If you get in there, you need help setting up your desktop. If you're going to trade on a computer in the mornings like we do, feel free. Reach out to me. Reach out to Eddie. One of us will walk you through it. TradingView, if you just want to start charting, it's free to use. It doesn't cost you nothing. Eddie's on the free version. And it's nice to have. It works. It helps. What else, Eddie? That's about it, huh? That's about it. Kara's going to help me set up the merchandise for my channel. She's going to help me get my shirts and my mugs right and my hat right. So there you go. That's all I got, brother. What do you got? Smells
Nothing.
like roses. I don't know what you hear this. You hear it smells like roses? The hell no, bro. Oh, damn roses. All right, bro. You can wrap this thing up whenever you're ready.
All right, guys. Peace.
All right, y'all. See y'all tomorrow. Good luck. Make some riding. Hey, don't forget, 8 o'clock tonight or 9 o'clock Eastern time tonight. 8 o'clock where Eddie lives, Rideshare Garage. We will be live. Peace.
Pow.
Close it.